Layn Credit University. My name's Conrad Layn. The question is, what are beginner credit cards for beginners? Secure credit cards. Secure credit cards, simply all they are is when you have a collateralized amount. So for example, say you go to your credit union or bank institution or banking, online bank, doesn't matter, and you open a secured card, they'll take your amount of money as a down payment, say $300, they'll put it into a CD, certificate of deposit, that collateralizes a real credit card amount, say of $300, so that if you default in payment or miss your payment or decide not to pay your credit card back, they feel safe and they can just take the money from the deposit. But guess what? If you pay those bills on time, it reports like a real credit card because it is a real credit card. It's just secured by your finance down payment. So secure credit cards are definitely the way to go for beginners that want to start building their credit, or if you went through a some type of banking crisis or some type of bankruptcy, etc. Especially for beginners, or if you went through a crisis, secure credit cards can be the answer for you. Secured credit cards. Go to your local banking institution, credit financier, credit union, etc. Ask them about secure credit cards and leave your down payment today. You'll start building your credit immediately. Live subscribe, share, Carl,